It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to make our own art magnets. We'll turn tiny drawings into special magnets for the fridge to hold up other artworks or to use for storytelling. Let's gather our materials. The materials we'll need for making our own art magnets are cardstock or other sturdy paper, markers or pens or other drawing tools, scissors, laminating sheets, and magnet tape. And if you don't have your own laminating sheets, you can take your finished artworks to a place that will laminate them for you. Let's create! To begin, draw small pictures on the cardstock with markers or other drawing tools. You can try animals, people, houses, suns, stars, cars, or anything you like. And then cut each picture out. And place the pictures inside the laminating sheet with about a half an inch in between each. Press closed. Cut out the pictures again, this time leaving a 1/4 inch border around each. Stick a piece of magnet tape to the back of each artwork. And use your new magnets on the fridge or on another magnetic surface to hold up notes and art or to create story scenes. I hope you enjoy this art activity.